Welcome to the audio-visual book reading of the original Panchatantra with the Sanskrit source and English translations. This is an undertaking of the Sanskrit channel. Story 2 of Book 1, Ways of Wealth Creation. Athatah prarabhyate mitrabhedo nama prathamam tantram. And now begins the first technique by the name of Mitra Bheda, which means breaking up of friendships. Yasyayam Adimaha Shlokaha, of which this is the first shloka. Vardhamano Mahan Snehaha Simha Govrishayor Vane Pishune Nati Lubdhena Jambukena Vinashitaha. A great friendship which was growing between a lion and a bull in a forest was destroyed by a backbiting and an extremely greedy jackal. Tad yathanushruyate, which is heard as follows. Asti dakshinatye janapade mahilaropyam nama nagaram. In the land to the south, there is a city by the name of Mahilaropyam, which means maiden's delight. Tatra dharmoparjita bhuri vibhavo vardhamanako nama Vanik Putro Babhuva. There lived the son of a merchant by the name of Vardhamanaka, which means the one who causes growth, who amassed great wealth by rightful means. Tasya kadachit ratrau shayyarudhasya chinta samutpanna. One night, as he was lying on his bed, an anxious thought appeared in his mind. Tat prabhutepi vitte arthopayas chintaniyaha kartavyaha cha iti. It was that even if there is a lot of money, methods of wealth creation have to be thought about and put to practice. Yata uktancha nahi tad vidyate kinchid yadarthena nasidhyati yatnena matimans tasmadarthamekam prasadhayet. Since it is said that there is no such thing which cannot be attained through wealth, therefore a wise man should make an effort and just obtain wealth. Yasyarthas tasya mitrani, yasyarthas tasya bandhavaha, yasyarthas sapuman loke, yasyarthas sacha panditaha. The one who has wealth has friends and has relatives. The one who is wealthy is considered great in this world and is considered as a knowledgeable one too. Nasa vidya natad danam, natat chilpam nasa kala, natat sthairyam hidhaninam, yachakair yannagiyate. It is not knowledge, it is not charity, it is not skill and arts, and it is not the perseverance of the wealthy, which are not praised by those who beg. It means they praise all these qualities of the wealthy. Iha loke hidhaninam paropi svajanayate, Svajanopi daridranam sarvada durjanayate. In this world, even strangers are friendly towards those who are wealthy, and towards those who are poor, even their own people turn against them. Arthebhyopi vruddhebhyah samvrittebhyas tatastatah pravartante kriyah sarvah parvatebhya ivapagah. As wealth grows and starts to accumulate from everywhere, all of one's tasks start to manifest as effortlessly as streams flow from the mountains. Pujyate yada pujyopi, yada gamyopi gamyate, vandyate yada vandyopi, saprabhavo dhanasya cha. Even the one who is not worthy of worship gets worshipped. Even the unreachable is reached. Even the one who shouldn't be bowed down to is bowed down to, and that is the power of wealth. Ashanadindriyaniva syuh karyanyakhilanyapi etasmat karanad vittam sarva sadhana muchyate. As one's organs get empowered with food, similarly one's activities get empowered with wealth. Therefore, wealth is said to be the means to achieve everything. Artharthi jiva lokoyam shmashanamapi sevate tyaktva janayitaram svam nisvam gacchati duratah. In pursuit of wealth, people in this world are ready to even work at a crematorium. And also, there are people who would walk far away from their own parents if they are impoverished. Gata vayasam api pumsam yesham artha bhavanti te tarunaha arthe natu ye hina vruddhaste yavvanopi syuhu. Even after growing old, those who are wealthy are still young. Those who lack wealth, even if they are young, are as good as old. Sacha arthaha purushanam shadbhirupayair bhavati. And that wealth is obtained by humans through 6 methods. Bhikshaya, nrupasevaya, krishikarmana, vidyoparjanena, vyavaharena, vanikkarmanava. Through begging, through service to a ruler, through self-labor, literally agriculture, by gaining knowledge, through loan lending, and through trade. Sarvesham api tesham vanijyena atiraskruto arthalabha syat. Among all these methods, there is an undeniable opportunity in trade to amass wealth. Uktancha yataha krita bhikshānikair vitarati nrupo nochita maho krishih klishta vidya guru vinaya vrityati vishama. Since it is said that begging is done by too many people, a ruler doesn't pay the right amount, self-labor is complicated and hard work, obedience to a teacher to gain knowledge is tiring. Kusidat daridryam parakaragata granthishamanat namanye vanijyat kimapi paramam vartanam iha. One can become poor through loan lending when money that went into others' hands is lost forever. I do not think that apart from trade, there is a better activity that leads to wealth. Upayanancha sarvesham upayah panya sangraha dhanarthan shasyate hyekah tadanya sanshayatmakah. Among all the methods to gain wealth, the best is to deal in tradable goods. That is the only certain way, since the others are too doubtful. Tacha vanijyam saptavidham arthagamaya syat. And in that, trade is of 7 types, classified based on how wealth is obtained. Tadyatha gandhika vyavaharaha nikshepa praveshaha goshthika karma parichita grahakagamaha mithyakraya kathanam kuta tulamanam deshantarat bhandanayanancha iti. Those are trade in fragrances and other consumable substances, pawnbroking, cattle rearing and related products, approaching regular customers for recurring service, inflating the prices, using faulty scales which is providing less value for money, and importing goods from faraway places. Uktancha Panyanang Gandhikam Panyam Kimanyai Kanchanadibhi Yatraikena cha yat kritam tachatena pradiyate. It is said that among all the tradable goods, fragrances are the best, since when it is sold once, it reaches 100 others on its own. Nikshepe patite harmye shreshthi stauti svadevatam nikshepi mriyate tubhyam pradasyam yupayachitam. A pawnbroker prays to one's deity that if the customer dies and doesn't reclaim the pawned goods, then one shall offer unto the deity what was received. Goshthika karma niyuktaha shreshthi chintayati chetasa hrishtaha vasudha vasusampurna mayadya labdha kim anyena. A merchant involved in cattle rearing becomes content in his mind that today I have found rich land full of nourishment. What else is required? Parichitam agachantam grahakam utkanthaya vilokyasau hrishyati tadhana labdho yadvat putrena jatena. Looking at a familiar recurring customer anxiously, that merchant, after receiving money, feels as happy as he had a child of his own. Anyancha purna purne mane parichita jana vanchanam tatha nityam mithya krayasya kathanam prakriti-riyan syat kiratanam. And then making a profit through improper units of measure by cheating regular customers and setting false prices is the nature of those who are savage. Dvigunam trigunam vittam bhandakraya vichakshanaha prapnuvant yudyama loka dura deshantarangataha. Twofold and threefold profits are obtained for their goods by those who take high risks and go to great efforts in bringing goods from faraway places. Ityevam sampradharya mathuragamini bhandani adaya shubhayam tithau gurujananugnyatah surathadhirudhah prasthitah. Thinking thus in his own mind, Vardhamanaka took the goods that are to go to Mathura, and on an auspicious day, after taking the blessings of his gurus, set forth on a nice chariot.